In this video, we'll be reviewing how to renew your license on Bells. If your license is expiring in the next 3 months, it will appear on the Actions Required tab. Click the license number of the license you wish to renew, select Renew License, and follow the steps of the wizard. Answer the questions, add any required documents, making sure to select the document type, check the declaration, and click Pay and Submit to proceed to payment. As a reminder, if your application status is under municipal review, you may need to reach out to your municipality and complete any additional steps.